So today I'm doing something a little different. I'm reviewing earbuds that don't actually go in your ears. Meet the Huawei FreeClip 2. Now, I'll be honest, when I first heard about clip-on earbuds, I was skeptical. But after using these for the past few weeks, I've got to say, Huawei might be onto something here. These have genuinely changed how I think about personal audio. So let's get into it and see if they're worth your attention. But before we get started, smash that subscribe button so you never miss our latest tech reviews and updates. First impressions matter, and the FreeClip 2 absolutely nails it. Huawei calls their design philosophy the airy sea bridge, and it's not just marketing fluff. This C-shaped clip is crafted from a combination of silicone and memory-shaped alloy, which means it flexibly conforms to your ear while maintaining just the right amount of grip. It's like they found the sweet spot between secure and comfortable. What really impressed me is the weight, or lack thereof. At just 5.1 grams per earbud, these practically disappear on your ears. I've worn them for hours during work sessions and completely forgotten they were there. That's the hallmark of great design. The aesthetic is fresh too. Huawei has gone with a stylish denim texture finish that sets these apart from the usual glossy plastic we see everywhere. It's sophisticated, tactile, and honestly, a conversation starter. I've had multiple people ask me what I'm wearing. And for those worried about durability, these carry an IP57 rating for dust and water resistance. Light rain, sweaty workouts, dusty environments, the FreeClip 2 can handle it all without breaking a sweat. Now let's talk about what matters most. How do they sound? Let's hear all the sound quality and the mic test.
Alright guys, so this is the microphone test of the Huawei FreeClip 2. Actually guys, I'm here in my balcony. Down in my building, there's a lot of cars passing on my building. Also, there are some winds. Alright, so what do you think guys? Can you hear my voice loud and clear? Alright, again, sound check, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the microphone test of the Huawei FreeClip 2. Alright, let me know guys in the comment section below.
Now let's try the music.
Huawei has equipped these with 10.8mm dual dynamic drivers, which is impressive for open earbuds. The bass has surprising punch, considering there's no seal in your ear canal. Mids are clear and present, and highs are crisp without being harsh. Whether I'm listening to podcasts, rock, electronic music, or classical pieces, the FreeClip 2 delivers a well-balanced, enjoyable sound signature. But here's where things get really interesting. The FreeClip 2 is the first Huawei earbud to feature a dedicated NPU. That's a neural processing unit. This isn't just a buzzword. What it does is constantly analyze your audio environment and make real-time adjustments to deliver the best possible sound quality. It's like having a tiny sound engineer living in each earbud. Connectivity is future-proofed too, with Bluetooth 6.0 support. I experienced rock-solid connections, extended range, and seamless transitions between devices. No dropouts, no stuttering, just reliable wireless audio the way it should be. The FreeClip 2 is packed with intelligent features that actually enhance daily use. Let's start with left or right auto detect. Unlike traditional earbuds where left is left and right is right, these automatically detect which ear you've placed them on and adjust the audio channels accordingly. It's a small touch that makes a huge difference in user experience. Head motion control is another standout. You can answer or reject calls with simple head gestures. Nod to accept, shake to decline. It sounds gimmicky until you're carrying groceries or working out and realize how incredibly useful hands-free control actually is. Volume adjustment gets a creative solution with gesture control. Just slide your finger along the earbud surface to raise or lower the volume. It's intuitive, precise, and eliminates the need for multiple taps or dealing with your phone. Here's a feature I didn't know I needed: instant drop alert. If an earbud accidentally falls from your ear, you immediately get an alert. Anyone who's lost an earbud knows the panic. This feature potentially saves you from that nightmare scenario. Dual device connection means you can stay connected to both your phone and laptop simultaneously. Switch seamlessly between a work call on your phone and a binge watching on your tablet without any repairing hassle. And let's talk battery life. Because what good are all these features if they die halfway through your day? Each earbud delivers an impressive 9 hours of continuous playback on a single charge. That's enough for a full workday, a long flight, or an extended workout session. But here's where it gets even better. With the charging case, you get up to 38 hours total. That means you could go nearly a week between charging the case, depending on your usage. Fast charging support is also included, so even a quick 10-minute charge gives you 3 hours of playback when you're in a rush. So, should you buy the Huawei FreeClip 2? If you want open-ear comfort with impressive sound quality, cutting-edge smart features, and a design that turns heads, absolutely. These earbuds prove that innovation in audio isn't dead. It's just thinking outside the box, or in this case, outside the ear canal. That's it for today's review of the Huawei FreeClip 2. Let me know in the comments what you think of these clip-on earbuds. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!